GetResponse tutorial for beginners, email automation and marketing. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with GetResponse so that your email needs can be fulfilled. GetResponse is a platform that allows you to fulfill all of your email marketing needs and has competitive pricing so that your emails can scale with you. So to get started, simply head on over into getresponse.com and then click on Start 30-day free trial. And there is no credit card required and you can try out all of their features for 30 days. Then you're just going to enter your name and then your email address over here and then create a suitable password and then click on Create Free Account. Once you do that, your free account on GetResponse will be created. So now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for our account creation to be completed. Now, once this has been completed, we can move on towards our next step, which is going to be to click on Go to Email to open up your mailbox. And then you're just going to go into your mailbox over here and then verify your email address. You guys can see you have an activation email that you need to click on. So this is our activation email, and then we're just going to click on confirm your email to proceed with confirmation of our email so that we can get started with using GetResponse. Now that we have done our basics, we're going to go on ahead and then enter our company name. So we're just going to do that. This is optional, but I do like to add that over here. And then we're going to go ahead, add our number. And then we're just going to click on next step over here. And now that our account has been set up, we're going to go on ahead, click on I want to explore, and then we can get started with exploring GetResponse. Now GetResponse has AI-powered tools as well, which makes email marketing even more easy. Because GetResponse is going to serve as your all-in-one email and marketing platform, they have content creation that is powered with AI as well as marketing powered with AI. Then you can go into your dashboard to get an overall summary of all of the metrics that you have in GetResponse. On your top left, you have your tools, and then you have your contacts and then reports. To get started with sending out emails, the first step is to go into contacts over here and then get started with adding your contacts. You can click on add contacts over here and you have 4 options. You can add them one by one if you already have a list of existing contacts, or you can add them from a file. You can also add them via integration. So if you were previously using any other tool for email marketing, or you have your emails or contacts added on any other tool, you can integrate that and have your emails be synced up. Or you can also go with a sign-up form. So you can click on via sign-up form over here and then get started with a sign-up form. So when you create a sign-up form, you can embed that onto any page or even have a standalone sign-up form, and that is going to serve as the place where people can register to get emails from your marketing team or whatever type of registration you're doing. So I'm going to do one by one, and I'm just going to add a few sample emails. To get started, we're going to add them to our first default list, and then we're going to add their email address like so. And then we're going to add their name, phone number, custom field, and I have permission to add these people to my lists. And just like that, you're going to add your contacts. Now, once you start adding your contacts, you guys can see you have a search section within contacts as well. You also have segmentation. Now, segmentation can help you in, distinctly identifying the customers that are exhibiting certain behaviors. So if you're only looking for VIP customers, you can find that within segmentation, and you can add contacts based upon different segments. You can also go into reporting to view reports for your contacts. So how many contacts have you gathered? How many have been deleted? Then you have list hygiene. List hygiene basically gets rid of any duplicate contacts, any inactive contacts. You can basically refilter your lists to ensure that whenever you're sending out your emails, you're actually sending those out to a audience that is interested. Then you have your suppression lists. So suppression lists are going to serve as a tool to know what audience prefers what. So it makes it easy for you to block both individual and certain emails or domains that are not picking your emails or that are not interested in certain emails that you're sending. And then you have your import statistics as well as tags. Tags are basically going to serve as stagnant segments or lists. Tags can help you in identifying a certain type of customer and categorizing your customers to make it easy for you to send out your emails. Then on your top left, you have your tools. So you can get started with email marketing over here to get started with sending out emails. Keep in mind that GetResponse is not only a email marketing tool, but it is a tool for all types of marketing, where you have a website builder, landing page builder, forms and pop-up, as well as campaign automation and connecting to e-commerce tools with Web Connect and webhooks. Now, our first and primary feature, although, is going to be emailing. So we're going to go ahead and we can choose the type of email we want to get started with. So we're going to click on Create Newsletter, and you can go with their AI email generator or start from scratch. I'm going to go on ahead and show you guys their AI email generator because it is truly a one-of-a-kind tool. So first off, you're just going to add a topic for your email. So let's say my new makeup course is now live, where I teach beginners to do bridal makeup. It's a 4-hour course online. It's currently on a 30% discount. And then this is going to be a makeup and cosmetic, or let's say this is going to be a salon or spa services, maybe. I think I would rather have it under makeup and cosmetics. And then you can add, who is this email for? What kind of email is this? Then we're just going to click on next, and how do you want your email to sound? And I'm just going to go with convincing, and you're going to choose your layout. So I want a 1-column layout, and I want to go with pastel colors. Then you can upload your own logo, which makes it easier for your content to be generated with the accurate logo, so you don't have to replace and edit too much. And keep in mind, you are able to, alter these AI generated templates, so you can truly customize and build whatever you need from your emails. So we're just going to wait, and once done, this is what it looks like. Unlock your bridal makeup skills. Are you excited to master the art of bridal makeup? Excitement is in the air as my new online makeup course is now live. Designed for beginners, this 4-hour course will guide you step by step through all of the essentials of creating stunning bridal looks that leave an impression. Now, this image is not very accurate, so I'm going to go on ahead and choose a different image. So for that I'm just going to click on delete on the right, and then I'm going to click on browse, and then I'm going to go with Shutterstock Gallery, and then I'm going to search for makeup over here, and I'm going to search for those over here. I'm going to search for bride instead because we are advertising bridal makeup. So we're just going to do that and click on use. And once I click on use over here, my image will be added. Then from here, we have the rest of our email, and then it says enroll now. And now within the enroll now button, I can click on this, and then on the right side, all I have to do is enter my URL, which is going to be my registration page from my Google Calendar or whatever tool I am using to register my students. And once done, you can click on save and exit, and you can save this as a draft for the time being or save it as a template, or you can even send out a test message to see what your email is going to look like once it is sent out. So you can send this test message out to yourself and then view any edits you want to further make, and then just click on next, and you can get started with sending out your campaigns to the relevant audience. And just like so, you can get started with building campaigns on GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is completely free for the first 30 days, but after that, the starter plan is $19 and the marketer plan is $59. And as the number of contacts increases, you would have to pay more. But you can get a 18% discount if you opt for yearly billing. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.